Everybody, and welcome to Jenny's house, aka Crazy Country Couponer, where we hang out with all of our crazy friends and talk about saving your money. And you know you want to know, because we're going to save a lot today. Come on in, and on your way in, please like and share your video. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you too, come on in, guys. Yeah, and subscribe. Let's stop right now and do it right now. Hit the subscription button and that notification bell. Guarantee you're going to like the information. You get it daily, and you won't miss a deal, a steal, a glitch, free stuff, or any of our awesome information. So, hit that red button right now. Make sure the notifications say all. And everybody, it is time again to check your YouTube notifications on your YouTube app, because sometimes YouTube goes in and does a little house cleaning, and every time it does, well, a lot of people get unsubscribed. So if or their notifications get changed, the subscription stays, but you won't get notified. So not just on me, but any creators that you watch a lot, periodically check those YouTube settings. And that's where you will find that, under the YouTube settings. Okay, everybody come on in. Let's talk about this $4 off when you spend $15. Again, because there's a real high possibility that we can get it to glitch. Or it will glitch. Because you know how sometimes when we have those sales and the register doesn't pick up the sale, and then we have these coupons like this, the spin coupons, and, you know, like the spin 9, get 2 off. Well, we've got an opportunity for that with the sale on the Dr. Pepper 2 liters, because this coupon is attaching to the 2 liters as well. And these 2 liters are regularly $2.95, guys. But it's on sale for $2 for $2.50. So that's like getting one for free for everyone that you buy already, plus saving 40 cents. So already they're a deal at what they are. But we're going to take it a step further, because we're going to pick up 6 2-liter Dr. Peppers. And if they ring up for the $2.95, you're looking at $17.70, okay? But in truth, once you hit that pay now button, or we go to the end of the transaction, because none of the magic happens till after you hit the total and then the pay, you're going to get the price dropped down to $7.50 for those 6 2 liters. Which, like I said, is already a deal, because you're going to pay $2.50 for each 2. Then, when this $4 comes off at the end of the transaction, holy moly, you're going to be paying $3.50 for 6 2 liters. That is a case of 2 liters, guys. And that is a winner, chicken dinner deal right there, because that makes them, well, a little more, I think, than 50 cents a piece. When's the last time you had a 2 liter? Or even a 20 ounce, God forbid, 20 ounce. 20 ounce costs as much as this 2 liter right now. So at any point that you think, I'm going to run out and get me a 20 ounce Dr. Pepper, don't. Right now, just go get you a 2 liter. Go get 2 of them for the price of one 20 ounce. So even if you don't drink all that 120 ounce today, you'll have another one for tomorrow. Just saying. Okay. Oh. And of course, to go with it, we've got the Lay's potato chips. And the Lay's potato chips are on sale $2.25 when you buy 4. So if you're stocking up for your New Year's Eve celebration or the Super Bowl game, now's the time to get these chips and these sodas. Yep, sure enough. So there you go, guys. Potential glitch, and I'm pretty sure it's going to. So somebody get out there today and try this. I'm on my way to work, so I don't have time. But I got time to tell you about it. So, thank you again for stopping by and hanging out at my place for a few. And please, before you leave, give me a comment or an emoji, or both are greatly appreciated, because YouTube really, really counts those things. And if we don't have enough of those things in comparison to the amount of views that we have, they're going to think you're not really interested. Even though you come back again and again to check us out, if you don't participate or leave a comment, YouTube thinks you're not that interested. So please, participate, not just with me, but every one of your creators, especially going into the new year, because with every new year, there's always changes, and to make those changes, they really scrutinize. Okay? So going into the new year, it's extra, extra important for you to support your creators. And all you have to do that is leave a comment, like, share, even if you just share to yourself. And it takes just seconds to do those three things as you come into any video. We love you, bunches. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Not just me, but all your creators. And we'll see you again real soon.